Good day everyone. Recently I have uploaded a tutorial video flashing the LineageOS ROM Android 14 on the Google Pixel 6. So this method is same for the Google Pixel 6a and 6 Pro. Only you have to download the files according to the model. LineageOS is very awesome in all the way. It is performing good with an excellent battery life and no lag. All the features are working perfectly, but this ROM coming without device certified safety net and not pass. So I have rooted this ROM with a new rooting method named APatch. After rooting the ROM, I install the modules and I manually make the device certified, and my ROM is now showing safety net pass. Now in case if I am getting the OTA update of the LineageOS, and if I want to update the ROM so the root will get removed, then I have to reroute the ROM after updating it. Now currently device is certified and safety net is passed, and the good thing is that rooting with APatch software, the banking application working fabulous. There is no issue, there is no pop-up window that this banking application will not open on the jailbreak or on the rooting mobile phone. Yes, if you are rooting your ROM or your mobile phone with APatch rooting method, definitely all the banking application and all the security related application will run, and you can get the things done with having root access, and there you will find no issues opening the banking application. This is what I say: good ROM, good rooting method, and not getting any issues with the banking application. Now if you want to know how to root LineageOS ROM, then comment me in comment section, so I will re-upload another video about this topic. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye.